Hi Stallion, today you're going to be using seesaw drawing to show your thinking when solving math problems. The first thing you're going to do is open up your Seesaw app and press the drawing or the pencil. After you click it, this is a screen that will pop up. Before you start, you want to press the record button at the bottom and click it. Once you have finished pressing the record button, you can then start drawing your story. So I'm going to press one of these down here, and I can choose my color. I'll choose blue, and then I'm going to start my story. So I had 3 lollipops. I gave one of my friends at lunch a lollipop. So I'm going to cross it off.
How come you're crossing it off, Miss Mons?
Because I don't have it anymore. I gave it away.
To me.
So I only have 2 lollipops left. So now I'm going to do my number bond.
How come you pick that one, Mrs. Mons?
I want to use this one because it's smaller, so I can fit my numbers in the number bond.
Oh, okay.
So I have the whole and then the 2 parts. So I started with 3.
I know the parts.
What are the parts, Mrs. Forsting?
Well, you had 3 altogether, but then you gave me 1, so I'm going to put 1 down there. And then you still had 2 left, so then 2 goes over there. So 2 and 1 makes 3 altogether.
Great job, Mrs. Forsting.
Thanks, Mrs. Mons.
Now it's your turn to make your own story using seesaw drawing. Good luck!